At last, we're hearing the Muriel's rants. Oh, there's a goat behind me. Hello there. I'm Wynonna Woodpecker. It's very nice to meet you. Oh, well, what's the matter? You're feeling something I don't understand? I think we better pet the goat. That is, if it doesn't mind. I better go grab a brush. Let's see. Grab a brush. Brushing rams animals removes dirt and old hair and helps ensure healthy skin. Have you brushed one of our goats today? There's one. Oh, hello. Mind if I brush you or pet you? Oh, thank you. Good goat. You're a very good one. Yep, the goat's definitely shedding, so that's why it required brushing. And there's another goat. Let's see if I can find another goat to brush on. Oh, I think there's one goat coming. Come here. Huh. I think it needs to be approached for me to brush it. Ah, another goat. Hello, mind if I brush you? Oh, thank you. Good one. Goats can be very cute when they're calm and friendly. That's now you understand, and what you see is I'm not afraid of goats. Well, goats are one of the cute furry animals which I love to socialize with, especially birds I speak for. You know, after all, I speak for the birds, other than just animals I speak for. And there's one right now with the short tail. Hello. There you go. You got white stuff on your... There you go. I'll get them off. There you go. You're clean as a whistle right now. Gently, slowly, slowly, slowly. Goats prefer to be brushed gently and slowly. You see, this is the way you brush the goat, very gently and slowly. You don't do it too hard and fast. That will scare them away. That's why we have to be gentle with animals. All they want is gentle respect and love and fair treatment. And whenever we do, never touch these horns. You know, goats don't like touch. You know what happens if you touch the goat's horns? They'll get easily aggressive or scared away. So it's better for us not to touch those horns because they only hate you when you do that. It's called respect and courtesy. Whenever we're brushing, never touch these horns because you don't want to know what's going to happen if you do. Now that we're done hanging out and petting and brushing the goats, let's go for now. All we do is put away the brushes. I maybe wears gloves, but I just feel like I'm gonna wash my hands with my gloves on so I can wash the gloves. It got a little dirty anyway. Let's go. Whew. Now that was the best time with the goat farm, or Muriel's farm. Petting and bracing goats are very nice, and it feels so relaxing and peaceful. Especially I love the fact when goats are not, dangerous and acting so aggressive. What a good time. Oh, there's a birdcage. Oh, and guess what? You know what time it is? It's musical number time. What's this, guys? I'm gonna sing the song Everybody Thinks I'm Crazy, and it's my best favorite time of musical number. And it starts with a laugh. Guess who? Everybody thinks I'm crazy. Yes, sorry, that's me, that's me. That's what I'm cracked up to be. I chopped a hole in every tree. I knock on wood. Yes, I knock on wood. So I'm crazy, so what can I do? So are you. Whew! Dang, this musical number makes me feel so better and so happy. Now that I feel so worked up and happy by my musical number, I feel ready to, explore more. Come on, let's go. Now there's the American Badger. Looks so real, right? I wonder where it's going. Now, let's see another animal. Come on. Sorry.